Apple is officially breaking its traditional 3-year product cycle, and what they are hiding behind the scenes for the 2026 audio lineup is nothing short of revolutionary. If you thought the AirPods Pro 3 were the pinnacle of wireless audio, you're about to see just how wrong that assumption was. We are looking at a hardware shift so significant that it changes the fundamental purpose of what a pair of earbuds can do, moving them from simple audio devices to the world's first true wearable AI interfaces. Rumors have been circulating for months, but new supply chain reports have finally confirmed the tech that will define the rest of this year and beyond. From the integration of advanced infrared sensory arrays to the implementation of a lightning-fast H3 silicon, this is the most ambitious project Apple has undertaken in the personal audio space. The stakes for this launch are incredibly high, as these aren't just an upgrade. They are a direct response to the evolving landscape of spatial computing and intelligent wearables. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The core of this upcoming release revolves around a concept that industry insiders are calling visual intelligence. For years, AirPods have been passive receivers of sound, but the 2026 variant is designed to be active observers of your environment. By embedding miniature, low-power infrared cameras into the housing of each earbud, Apple is enabling the device to see your immediate surroundings in real time. This isn't for recording video or invading privacy. It is about context. Imagine walking into a busy room and having your audio profile shift instantly to isolate human voices while dampening the hum of the air conditioner, or having your music adjust its soundstage based on the room's acoustics. These cameras work alongside the new operating system's spatial processing to map your environment, allowing for air gesture controls that are vastly more precise than anything we have seen before. You won't just be tapping stems anymore. You'll be interacting with your digital environment using subtle hand movements, all processed locally on the device to keep your data private and your latency at zero. The jump to the H3 chip is the engine driving this entire experience. While the H2 chip was a massive leap for noise cancellation, the H3 is built specifically for the demands of high-fidelity, high-bandwidth processing. This chip is the first of its kind to natively support the upcoming lossless streaming protocols that Apple has been quietly testing. For audiophiles who have felt held back by Bluetooth limitations, this is the moment the barriers finally fall. We are talking about true, bit-perfect audio delivered wirelessly without the typical compression artifacts that plague current standard connections. But the H3 chip does more than just enhance sound quality. It handles the massive amount of sensory data coming from those new infrared modules. Balancing active noise cancellation with environment mapping AI is a power-hungry process, yet reports suggest the H3 manages this with even better efficiency than its predecessor. This means you aren't trading battery life for intelligence. You're getting a smarter, more capable device that stays alive for your entire workday. There's a lot of debate right now regarding the naming and the pricing of this unit. Some analysts are calling it the AirPods Pro 4, while others argue it will sit in a tier above, potentially branded as an Ultra variant. Apple's strategy with the recent standard AirPods generation, offering different feature sets at different price points, suggests they might be testing the waters for a high-end luxury tier. If this model debuts at a premium price point, it will be positioned as the ultimate accessory for the Vision Pro and the latest flagship iPhones. The expected launch window is looking toward the latter half of 2026, likely aligning with the unveiling of the next-generation iPhone models. This timeline is a major deviation from the usual 3-year wait, proving that Apple is shifting its focus to keep pace with the hyper-competitive AI wearable market. They know that if they don't innovate now, the market will move on without them, and the 2026 AirPods are the definitive answer to that challenge. When you look at the design, the goal is to maintain the iconic aesthetic while packing in significantly more sophisticated hardware. The form factor remains compact, but internal teardown projections show a complete redesign of the internal battery and speaker driver arrangement to accommodate the camera modules. This is an engineering nightmare that Apple has managed to solve through high-density component stacking. You can expect the touch surface to be completely overhauled or potentially removed in favor of the new gesture-based system, creating a cleaner, more minimalist look that feels like a piece of high-end jewelry rather than just plastic hardware. These design changes are necessary, but they also serve a functional purpose in signal distribution. By rethinking the internal layout, Apple is optimizing the antenna performance, which is critical for that new lossless audio protocol. Everything about this device feels deliberate, with every millimeter of space inside the shell utilized for maximum performance. The implications of this for the average user go far beyond just listening to music or podcasts. If you spend your time in meetings, the contextual audio processing will be a game changer. The ability for the earbuds to differentiate between different speakers, block out specific background noises, and enhance the clarity of a conversation in a crowded coffee shop is the kind of feature that becomes essential once you use it. When you combine this with the seamless ecosystem integration we expect from Apple, these earbuds become an extension of your iPhone's capabilities. They are effectively the ears of your digital assistant, providing it with the spatial context it needs to be actually helpful rather than just reactive. We are moving toward a future where your wearable devices anticipate your needs before you even realize you have them. Let's talk about the competition for a second. The market is saturated with mid-range earbuds, but this premium 2026 offering is designed to crush the high-end segment. Most competitors are focused on raw driver specs or basic noise cancellation, but Apple is moving the goalpost to the software-hardware integration layer. Because they control the silicon, the OS, and the hardware, they can achieve a level of synergy that nobody else can replicate. When you put these earbuds on, the pairing isn't just about a Bluetooth signal. It's an authentication event that bridges your personal data, your location, and your preferences. This level of vertical integration is why people stick with the ecosystem, and it's why this release will likely define the high-end audio market for the next few years. There is also the matter of software updates. We expect the 2026 AirPods to launch alongside a major update to iOS that provides the necessary hooks for developers to interact with the new camera and gesture sensors. This opens up a world of possibilities for third-party apps. Imagine fitness apps that track your form through your earbud cameras or navigation apps that provide audio cues based on what you are looking at in the real world. We aren't just talking about a better way to hear music. We are talking about a new input method for your life. That is what makes this launch so exciting and why so many tech experts are keeping a close eye on the late 2026 cycle. It's a gamble, but a calculated one that puts Apple years ahead of its nearest rivals. As we look deeper into the specific sensors, the infrared technology is where things get truly interesting. Traditional proximity sensors are standard, but these new modules are essentially low-resolution spatial cameras. They don't store your images or send them to the cloud. All processing happens on-chip via the H3. This is a massive win for privacy, as it ensures that the vision of the earbuds never leaves your control. Apple is clearly trying to get ahead of the privacy narrative by emphasizing on-device intelligence. In an era where everyone is worried about what their devices are doing, this focus on local, offline processing is the only way to sell a camera-equipped wearable. It's a brilliant marketing move that also happens to be a technical necessity for speed and latency. Many of you have been asking about the battery life. Given the added power of the cameras and the new processing requirements, it would be logical to assume a drop in usage time, but the efficiency of the H3 chip is the key. By moving more tasks to dedicated silicon, Apple is freeing up the main processor to focus on power management, and they have reportedly implemented new battery chemistries that hold more energy in a smaller footprint. You should be able to get close to the current standards, if not exceed them, even with all these new features enabled. That is the kind of engineering excellence that justifies the premium price tag. You are paying for the capability of a computer in the size of a bean. Think about the user experience. You pull your earbuds out of the case, put them in, and they instantly recognize who you are and where you are. They adjust the audio profile to fit your environment. And as you go through your day, you use simple, natural hand gestures to control your workflow. No fumbling with screens, no voice commands that disrupt your environment, just pure, fluid control. This is the dream of wearable tech, and for the first time, it feels like it is actually arriving. The rumors are strong, the supply chain evidence is piling up, and the momentum in the industry is shifting toward this exact kind of integrated AI hardware.